Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Cardano, ADA, from your Arculus wallet to KuCoin in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're trading, staking, or just managing your portfolio, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring ADA in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and a verified KuCoin account. Always double-check that your wallets are funded and your accounts are secure. Crypto security is key in 2025, with advanced features like multi-factor authentication being standard. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the Assets, or Wallet, section and select Cardano, ADA, from your list of holdings. You'll see your current balance. Take note of it before proceeding. Step 2. On KuCoin, go to your deposit page. Search for Cardano, ADA, and copy the deposit address provided. This address is unique to your KuCoin account, so don't mix it up with any others. Remember, in 2025, most exchanges like KuCoin use enhanced QR codes or integrated wallets for easier transfers. Step 3. Back in Arculus, hit the Send or Transfer button for your ADA. Paste the KuCoin address into the recipient field, then enter the amount you want to send. Double-check everything, amount, address, and fees, to avoid any mistakes. Arculus might prompt you for a confirmation PIN or biometric verification for added security. Step 4. Review the transaction details one last time. Once you're confident, confirm the send. You'll get a notification once it's processed, which usually takes a few minutes depending on network congestion. After the transfer, head over to KuCoin and check your account balance to ensure the ADA has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time or contact KuCoin support. And there you have it. That's how you send Cardano from Arculus to KuCoin in 2025. Always prioritize security, like using hardware wallets and avoiding public Wi-Fi. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.